Welcome, this is Counting the Cost Ministries. I'm the Word Nerd, let's dig deeper. If you are a new Christian looking for more information on your new walk with Christ, check out our free PDF, the Little Booklet, A Christian's First Steps. You'll find that linked in the description. Let's get into the video. So today we're going to be continuing our How to Study the Bible series, and this is going to be a continuation of the demo. So, interpretation, the action of explaining the meaning of something. If you haven't watched the how-to videos, definitely go check that out. It'll give you more deeper understanding of this. So keeping in mind the context, the principle of clarity, and comparing scripture with scripture, my interpretation of 2 Timothy 2:15 is Christians have work to do. The care of Christians must be to approve themselves unto God, to be accepted by Him by doing their work, which is rightly dividing the word of truth by studying. There must be a constant care to not be unskillful or unfaithful workmen to where they should be ashamed. We do this not to invent a new gospel, but to rightly divide the word, to better share the gospel that is committed to our trust. So the next step is application, and we must ask ourselves questions to help us to apply what we just learned. So what does this passage teach? So basically this passage teaches that we need to study to be approved unto God and be able to rightly divide the word. So the next question is, does it expose any error in my beliefs or behavior? So that's a question you're going to have to ask yourself. So for me, no, I definitely believe we need to study, and I study almost every day. And I read every day. So, what is God's instruction to me as His child is the next question. To study. Yeah, He wants you to know Him and to know His Word, so better to share the good news. The application step is not completed by simply answering these questions. The key is putting into practice what God has taught you in your study. So, that's where we must respond. So, responding is basically being obedient to the instruction and claiming any promises God has promised in the passage. A promise would be from this passage is if you do study, you will be accepted by God as a workman. So that's what we really want, right? So why don't you get out there, dig deeper, and study and share that gospel. I pray this video helped you on understanding the interpretation and application steps of how to study the Bible. I'm the Word Nerd. Follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with what I'm studying on a daily or regular basis, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless.